Hello everyone, welcome to Teaching Notes. I'm very happy that you people are following my Vedic Maths classes and asking me questions and giving your valuable feedback. Thanks for that. So, let's begin our class today with a 3-number combination set. So, in the previous class, we were talking about 10-point circle. A 10-point circle is nothing but a representation of numbers in a cyclic progression. If you see here, we have a pair of numbers which add up to 10. That is 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. So these all numbers are the pair of numbers which add up to 10. What if we have a 3-number combinations? Let us see. So how to make a whole when we have 3-number combinations? That is 1 plus 2 plus 7 equals to 10, 1 plus 3 plus 6 equals to 10, 1 plus 4 plus 5 equals to 10. There are 8 number of combinations which add up to 10. Find the other set of combinations. Let us learn about a new Vedic Math Sutra, that is Ya Vadunam. I repeat it again, Ya Vadunam, which means by the deficiency. You know what? Vedic Maths not only increases our speed or mental ability, it also teaches us life lessons. Isn't it wonderful? Yes. Almost all the Vedic Math Sutras has unique life lessons. So coming to the concept, till now we have searched for completeness. In this concept, we can find what if we don't see the completeness and what we need to do to complete it. We can learn the natural ability of mind to see how much a number differs from the wholeness. Let us look into examples. Find the deficiency of the number to its nearest base. Here, base plays a key role. Any mathematical equation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, can be easily solved by the multiples of 10. 39 is close to 40 and is 1 less than 40. 18 is close to 20 and is 2 less than 20. 57 is close to 60 and is 3 less than 60. 98 is close to 100 and is 2 less than 100. So whenever we see deficiency, we find where the deficiency is and try to complete it to make it a whole. Let us look into more examples. 49 is 1 less than 50. So borrow 1 from this number. So it becomes 50 and this becomes 3, which is 53. Which is nothing but 116. Life lesson from a Vedic Math Sutra, Ya Vadunam. There are deficiencies everywhere. If you have a problem, try to find the deficiency and complete it. Then you'll arrive at the solution easily.